Microsoft announced the 2024 Release Wave 1 plans for Microsoft Dynamics 365. If this content is useful to you, don't forget to subscribe to the On Target YouTube channel. Van Arsdale is recently won a hard-fought deal to supply a new line of alcohol-free ales in over 1,000 grocery stores. Included in the deal are AI-powered kiosks that can engage with consumers. Now that they've won the deal, they have to deliver the goods and equipment on time and in the correct volume. Van Arsdale customer service manager receives a call from one of the store managers. A redesigned conversation panel gives more control over the real estate on her page. With the entirety of the customer's profile at their disposal, the manager can give the answers they need immediately. The store manager received the kiosk but wants to know when the products are expected to arrive. With the automatic service prompts, Copilot makes suggestions on the kinds of questions the service manager may want to ask. In conjunction with Copilot, manager answer questions, reassuring that the goods are expected to arrive tomorrow. The store manager asks some follow-up questions. Copilot, once again, assists and gives greater transparency into where these answers are coming from, allowing to do things like track the supply chain. Here, the answer can be supplied by the Supply Chain Analytics within Dynamics 365 Supply Chain. With the product questions answered, the customer has an important question about the kiosk he received. He has no idea what to do with it. This is a new product and therefore way outside of the service manager's comfort zone. The Copilot points in the right direction, and the service manager can filter to identify suggestions that relate to equipment. Copilot tells that it is installed in service through a third party but is managed by a colleague. With skills-based consult and transfer, manager find out exactly who supports it and transfer the customer over. They informed that the installers could be scheduled to set up the kiosk. With Copilot and field service guiding the way, a technician is suggested with the right mix of skills, locale, and availability. The new enhancements to field service make it easy to manage external contractors like any other resource. Copilot recommends available installer to visit the store tomorrow. They receive the work order through the field service mobile app and arrive on site to configure the kiosk. The installer pulls up a list of tasks required to get the kiosk up and running and tracks each step. Everything seems to be going smoothly, except for a problem with the embedded electrical panel. Installer starts Dynamics 365 Guides mobile app. Guides is an application that works either through mixed reality in the HoloLens or through a mobile device. It walks frontline workers through installing, troubleshooting, and repairing physical equipment. Looks like the kiosk is up and running. With Copilot for Field Service Mobile, installers can use voice to describe what they did in their own words. Copilot will then use that description to automatically recommend updates to the work order, allowing her to wrap up her work on the go. Back in the office, the manager gets an AI-generated summary of the work done. She follows up with a call to the customer, using the outbound dialer, now enhanced with search capabilities, to confirm that everything was completed. At the end of the call, the manager completes the new call quality survey, providing feedback about technical issues they may have experienced. With the help of Copilot, the manager followed up on the call with an email summary of the work performed and what they discussed. The revamped email experience in customer service functions more like Outlook now, with the ability to search and drag and drop names and attachments. The manager includes another worker in the email so they stay up to date. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video for more Copilot and Dynamics 365 news.